Good afternoon everybody, how are you doing, man? Way, I watched the film last night. Mr. Shane McGowan, the new movie. It's his life story. It's animated and he's in it and whatever you. Bless him. What a great bloke. And I've always liked his songs, you know, and I've liked his lyrics. I haven't played a lot, like, but I love his lyrics and that. I've got it, I don't know, they're just great. So I thought I'd give this one a go, a rainy night in Soho. So I've never done it, I've just read it out. But I thought I'd have a go, as I do. So I'll not say too much about the movie, but I recommend it. So take care and stay safe, everybody. I've been loving you for a long time. Down all the years, down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles. Smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charm. I am not singing for the future, I am not dreaming of the past, I am not talking for the first time. I never think about the past. Now this song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. Take care and stay safe now.